puddle. Let me try a little off of this.
Yeah.
What are you on?
C and wire feet or fork.
Now see where I'm heading here.
Sure.
The gun is away from me and I can see my puddle.
Okay.
You want to stand on this side?
Sure. Okay.
The puddle.
Okay.
You don't want to be covering up what you're going, where you're
Right.
going with the nozzle.
Right. Now, you're doing more of a pull?
Yeah, you can do
That's
push
what you
or
do?
pull.
Okay. Now, is there a reason that you like pull better?
I can see it,
Okay.
and I can see where my fusion line is. When you're pushing,
Yeah.
well, sheet metal, it doesn't really matter, because
Mhm.
you're going to fuse the thing anyway.
Yeah, right.
But I'm used to welding
Huge pads. Yeah.
plate,
Yeah.
you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And I got to see the edge all the time,
Right.
because I can see where I'm punching into the metal.
Okay.
But pushing it might work a little better for you on something this thin,
Mm-hmm.
because
You want to hit the base metal at the bottom.
you don't want to aim right in the joint.
Okay.
You want to aim at the base plate. Now what's going to happen is when that wire is coming down,
Yeah.
and right before it hits that metal, it pinches off. It pinches off constantly into a ball.
Okay.
And when it's pinching off, it's going to hit this base metal
Right.
and run up onto that.
All right.
So you aim at the base plate.
Yeah, because like I was mentioned before, I was tending to do this kind of stitch thing,
Mhm.
back and forth between the two panels,
Right.
which is much.
You got something wrong with your clutch. I think it's...
Yeah, probably. Because I got my home printer screwed up, my big printer set up for the t-shirt ink. That's the only thing. It doesn't do real well with like a photo.
Yeah, I have an old printer, and it doesn't do red
Yeah.
spray, it doesn't do green, it
Beauty
doesn't
cycle.
do photographic quality.
Yeah.
Even on photographic
The
pictures.
6 color,
Well,
if I fire it up
cheap,
in
it's
stock
probably
market,
something
it's
like
absolutely
But I'll tell you what, I wrote it in the bucket.
It's a
Because it has
real
that
one.
same
Back to
printer,
the bucket.
you can print out
It is.
electrical stuff on it.
Yeah.